Hi, I'm Deathlake. Me and the human guinea pig just came back from the wedding fair. Gonna be doing the unboxing of the goodie bags and the miniature stuff we got from some of the stalls Gonna cut to the clips where we was walking around the actual stores and then cut back to do the mini unboxing thing, my bob. While walking to the wedding fair, the human guinea pig got pooped on by a pigeon. Damn, look how big that is. Hi, I'm Deathlake. Me and the human guinea pig just came back from the wedding fair. Gonna be doing the unboxing of the goodie bags and the miniature stuff we got from some of the stalls. In one store they were giving away free travel-sized versions of toothpaste and free chocolates, which is kind of ironic, the contrast of chocolate and toothpaste. We each got a free goodie bag, which I'm assuming is the same thing each bag. So in this bag is a free drink. It's a still aqua fresca watermelon, lime and mint. We already had one of the cans from one of the bags, which tastes quite nice. Ultimate Blends Argan Oil, Garnier, I think this is shampoo or a hair product. This is I believe that's a razor. Yep, a razor. Which the human guinea pig needs to use for his neck beard. Light shading right there. This is oil, some oil for the hair, little triangles for the hair. Skin, hair, nails, pills, 7-day trial sample. This is a £40 off HelloFresh for, I don't know what the terms and conditions for that is. £40 off. This is a breakfast protein shake kickstart. And this is Urban Veda Natural Skincare, purifying, protecting night cream. Yep, same stuff in the other bag. Event magazine. And I think it just mentions stuff. stuff the company does. For this Ringwood Hall Hotel and Spa bag, it's a voucher code if anyone would like to use that. It's a 10% off, and a bunch of leaflets of what they do in different events. And there's also another wedding fair they're doing. Information, the secret garden spa information. I think that's green liquid. Green liquid. So this is a free bridal magazine. The information and ideas. Basically a giant advertising thing. A book of advertisements. Wedding related. A show guide. Show guide of the thing. Different stores. This is where we got the free goodie bag from. This is how big the place was. And this is where we got the goodie bag from that point. I'm assuming this Mustang bag is a car company. Or a car wedding car hiring company. Photography advertisement examples. In this Ye Olde Bell store, they had some chocolates in this bag.
I thought it was soap.
Why would they give away soap?
It's a spa.
We didn't think it was soap. It was the human guinea pig that thought it was soap. Clearly chocolate. They're not going to give away random soap.
What is a spa?
What? Makes more sense to give away chocolate than soap. So this is a pen, a free pen. They gave away these envelopes, and in the envelope it mentions. In this envelope it contains a voucher for a complimentary night stay for 1 night bed and breakfast for 2 guests for booking in to view their wedding reception and whatnot. Information about the restaurant and pricings. An afternoon tea thing.
Ooh, which is that?
Informations. More informations. Informations. More informations. Basically informations. Information. And guess what? More information. Information. Some privilege club membership sign up thing. Examples of the miniature foods. Information about their food thing, food event, and a bridal wedding hair trial. More leaflets. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook for more content. And please do comment what's your experience of wedding fairs, or if you plan to go on a wedding fair.